Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can duplicate PDF documents using PDF editors online in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you'd like to duplicate one of your PDF documents without, for example, copying each element to a new blank page, this is how you can do it. Here in this PDF editor, for example, you will need to access the document editor tool in the top right. And that is going to give you access to that list of all pages your PDF document contains. Now, if you'd like to duplicate the entire document, you will need to select, obviously, all pages with your left mouse. You will see the number of pages selected here in the bottom left. And after that, use that duplicate button at the top. And now, as you can see, these pages have been duplicated. And that's basically it. Don't forget to save your changes here. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.